Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Quick Assist is a built-in Windows app for remote troubleshooting and screen sharing. Open the app from the Start menu on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Sign in with a Microsoft account to give or receive remote assistance securely. Choose Give Assistance to generate a 6-digit security code for the recipient. Choose Get Assistance to enter the helper's 6-digit code and allow connection permissions. This app uses Windows authentication and permissions to grant shared control safely and temporarily. Enter the helper's 6-digit code and grant screen sharing permissions when prompted. After the connection, the helper will request either view screen or take full control. If you accept, Windows shows a persistent consent banner and permission prompts. The helper can control your mouse and keyboard only after you allow full control. Files cannot be transferred directly through Quick Assist, so use cloud storage for file sharing. Both parties see clear on-screen prompts to accept permissions and to end the session at any time. Never share a 6-digit code with untrusted people and end sessions when finished. Always verify the helper's identity and reason for support before granting control. Sign in with a Microsoft account to create auditable sessions and improve security tracking. Use cloud storage like OneDrive to transfer files because Quick Assist lacks direct file transfer. If a fix requires it, restart the device to complete updates or driver installs after the remote session. Close Quick Assist and confirm the connection ended before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.